Are your shoppers scrolling past your best products? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add custom product badges in the sleek theme. These badges are a simple but powerful way to highlight hot, new, or sale items and instantly grab your visitors' attention. First, let's set up our product tags. From the Shopify dashboard, select a product that you want to update. Then, in the Tags field, add the supported badge tag format. For example, if we want a badge that says Hot Pick, we'll type tag__hot_hot pick. And if we want one that says New Arrival, we'll use tag__new_new arrival. Click Save to apply your changes. Next, let's make sure these badges show up on the product page. Go to Sleek Theme and open the exact product template where you've just added the custom tags. Under the Product Information section, add the block called Badges and Tags. You can drag it up or down to reorder it depending on where you want the badges to appear. Finally, click Save. And that's it. Your custom badges will now automatically display on your product card as long as the supported product tags are added. You can also showcase badges in the Quick View and Featured Product sections. Just add the Badges and Tags block as you did earlier. Now that we've added our badges, let's see how to customize their look and feel. If you want to change the shape of your badges and tags, go to Theme Settings, choose Layout. Here, under Corner Radius of Badges, you can choose between square or rounded. To change the colors, head over to Theme Settings, go to Colors. From here, update the background color and text color for your sale badge, hot badge and new badge to match your store's style. So that's how easy it is to add eye-catching product badges in the sleek theme. Try adding a few to your bestsellers or promotions to make them stand out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.